Okay, we're going to be looking at how to find the derivative of y is equal to 2 over x using first principles. Now, the little rule that we have for first principles is this. Limit as h approaches 0 of the function of x plus h, take away the function of x, all over h. Now with the rule that we have, equals the limit h approaches 0, what I'm going to do is we've got 2 over x plus h, take away 2 over x. Instead of writing it all as one big bracket, what I'll do is as one big fraction I should say, instead of dividing it all by h, I'll times it by 1 over h. That's exactly the same thing as dividing by h. It just means that the fraction is going to be a little bit less complicated to look at. The next thing we need to do is to consider the bits inside here and turn them into one big fraction. And the way we do that is we end up doing a cross multiply. So we're going to times the top and the bottom of the first term by x, and top and bottom of the second term by x plus h, and that will end up giving us a common denominator of x bracket x plus h. So this whole thing combined will now become 2x, take away 2x plus h, all over x plus h, and then all of that there is multiplied by 1 over h. We can simplify the top line there. Well, I'll expand out the bracket first. There should be take away 2h. Have I got an eraser there somewhere? I think that's an eraser. Let's take away all over x plus h, and I'm going to bring that 1 over h inside here, so that's multiplying the denominator by h as well, so our denominator becomes that. We can cancel down our x terms on the top, so we end up with the limit as h approaches 0 of negative 2h over h x plus h, and our h's will cancel down now, which gives us the limit as h approaches 0 of negative 2 over x plus h, scrolling up a little bit. Now if we apply the limit, we're saying that h is equal to 0. This will mean that this is equal to negative 2 over x by x plus 0. X plus 0 is just x, so we end up with negative 2 over x squared as our derivative. So the derivative of the original function of 2 over x is negative 2 over x squared.